Hello friends, welcome to United Cuisines. Let's bring the world a little bit closer together with the unifying power of good food. Join our community and don't be shy. Tell us your favorite dish from your home country in the comment section below. Our friends from Ukraine told us about Borsch, a tangy beetroot soup that's not only tasty but also very eye-catching. Hence, makes it a great dish for your social media posting needs. So let's make some in this episode. Most of the ingredients you can directly harvest from your babushka's garden, such as fresh beetroot, the same amount of potatoes, cabbage, although not the full head, and a few other veggies that are good for you. Good quality beef stock, some vinegar and a bay leaf will infuse our borscht with yummy flavors. Start by washing, peeling and cutting the veggies into small pieces. Keep the celery, carrots and onions in a separate plate, for we will saute those together before adding to our borscht soup. Peel the potatoes next and cut them, although not too small but rather in bite-sized pieces. Follow up with the beetroot, but don't fool around for the camera unless you want to create a mess. Peel it as well and consider wearing plastic gloves, for your hands and nails will turn red temporarily. Cut in slices and then sticks that are approximately 1 inch or 2 to 3 centimeters in length. We want to make sure that they also fit smaller mouths so that nothing hampers your borscht eating experience. Last but not least, we want to cut off a piece of our gigantic cabbage head and hash it as well before grabbing our mise en place and moving over to the stove. Use a pot that's big enough to hold all the ingredients and start by bringing our beef stock to a boil. Add beet sticks first, as those will need the longest to cook, together with 1 bay leaf. Put on the lid and let boil for 10 minutes over medium heat. In parallel, we will saute our vegetables. Therefore, we place our pan over medium heat and sprinkle in a tablespoon of olive oil before adding the chopped veggies. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes till the veggies turn tender and start browning a bit. Crush in a garlic clove and saute together for approximately 1 more minute before mixing in 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Great, now return to your pot and add the potatoes as well as fried vegetables in it. Give everything a good stir and cook for 5 minutes before finally adding the cabbage. We do this in order to make sure that the cabbage doesn't turn absolutely mushy by the time the potatoes are done. When the potatoes are almost done, start seasoning with salt and pepper as well as white vinegar to taste. We added 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, which gave our borscht a nice tanginess but not overly dominated our beef stock. Turn off the heat, mix in a tablespoon of chopped dill and let sit for a few minutes before serving.
Oh nice, now we're talking.
While stirring, let's also have a look at the colors of our borscht, which should have moved towards an intense red by the end of the cooking process. And there you go, a super delicious soup brought to us by our Ukrainian friends. Add a tablespoon of sour cream and some more dill on top before surprising your soon-to-be Eastern European parents-in-law. Join our community to see more delicious recipes from around the world and make sure to tell us your favorite food from your home country in the comment section below. And now, enjoy your borscht. Harne Appetit!
Oh wow! Wow! It's super tangy thanks to the vinegar. Did you ever see a red potato? Thank you, my Ukrainian friends.
Thanks for watching, and until next time with another international recipe here at United Cuisines.